Here we have the DEWALT range of side strike chisels. Most chisels will have 3 bevels, 1 cutting and 2 side bevels. This one has 2 cutting edges, and you have a flat side you can actually hit with a hammer. So this becomes a good everyday wrecking chisel, bashing chisel. You may notice as well we have some grooves in the side for a little bit of paring or prying out or whatever you want. And even straight out of the box, they're pretty good to just put an edge on a pencil, to be honest. It's got a good ergonomic handle. It's got the rubberized inlay, which means it's a very good, comfortable grip. It's got a steel strike cap, so you can really hit it with a hammer, really give it some. So it's got all the features in the chisel, which will give it guaranteed tough that you'd expect from the DEWALT stable. The chisel itself comes in 3 sizes, 32mm or 1.25 inch. We have 25mm or 1 inch, or 18mm, 3/4 inch. Another nice thing is they come with these removable plastic covers. So you can take it off, use it and put it back in. So when you store it in your box or when you put it in your trouser pocket, your long pocket, you know that the sharp bits of the chisel aren't going to do any damage.
Tools were invented to make our life easier, right? Well, Milwaukee know if you have the correct tool and accessory for the job, life doesn't get any easier than that. Combine a Milwaukee's flagship Sawzall with a scraper blade with a universal reception and you get productivity. Whether it's paint, glue or lino that needs to be removed, the Milwaukee Scraper blade takes the hard work and the skin knuckles out of the job. Available in 37mm and 75mm, life just got a little easier thanks to Milwaukee's thirst for innovation and finding solutions to suit every trade. Available at your power tool specialist.